There was this man in my village who used to go to market alone, not because he wants to be romantic or he wants to show love and care to the wife, no, but because he wants to manage the money, everything by itself. He doesn't want the wife to get access to whatever family money they have. So he will get to the market, buy things in a very small quantity, and then when he gets to the house, he will use rope, this raffia rope, to tie the ingredients while the wife cooks. Something like stockfish and bonga fish, all of that he'll tie them and then give the wife to cook. And at the end of the day, when the wife finished cooking the soup, she will just remove whatever has been tied, the okporoko, the fish, and put in the husband's plate, so nothing breaks into the pot and the wife has no liberty of eating. So now my question is, if you were this type of wife, how will you handle this situation? Everybody knows this man to be a very caring woman who doesn't want to stress the wife, but the wife is suffering inside the house. She doesn't even know how to confide in people, except for some few close people who she even instructed not to share with others. How will you handle this if you are the one?